Hello everyone, this is my review of GLAKER electric mustache cordless clippers. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I'm thoroughly impressed. The metal-coated design not only gives it a premium look, but also feels sturdy in hand. The LED display is a nice touch, clearly showing battery life, which lasts up to 150 minutes ** on a single charge. Switching between the 6 cutting heads is seamless, catering to various grooming needs from beard trimming to body grooming. The USB-C charging is convenient, and the device operates quietly, which is a significant upgrade from my previous trimmer. One minor drawback is the absence of a storage case, making it a bit challenging to keep all accessories organized. However, considering its performance and versatility, this is a small compromise. Overall, I highly recommend the GLAKER clippers, and I hope this review helps.